What if I told you that the secret to turning back time and flattening your belly doesn't come from a bottle, a pill, or a machine, but from a single glass you can prepare in your own kitchen every morning? Sounds unbelievable, right? But stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you the science and truth behind this simple natural drink that not only helps your body burn stubborn belly fat, but also restores your youthful energy, clears your skin, and rebalances your hormones. See, most of us wake up tired, bloated, or heavy, not because we're aging, but because our metabolism has slowed down due to chronic inflammation, poor digestion, and cellular dehydration. This morning drink works by correcting exactly those issues. I discovered this formula after years of clinical practice and research in natural medicine, where I observed one powerful pattern. People who started their day with hydration and specific nutrients looked years younger and had leaner midsections. In this video, I'll reveal what's inside this rejuvenating drink, how it works inside your body, the surprising science of gut aging, and how you can make it part of your daily anti-aging ritual. So, before you grab your coffee tomorrow morning, watch till the end. You might just replace it with something far more powerful. Let's begin with why timing matters. Morning is when your body performs its most critical detox and renewal processes. Overnight, your liver, kidneys, and lymphatic system work to filter waste and restore hormonal balance. When you wake up, your body is dehydrated, your blood is slightly thicker, and your digestive fire is low. Now, imagine starting your day with caffeine or sugar, you're reshocking a system that's still cleansing. This forces your adrenal glands to release cortisol, your stress hormone which locks fat around the belly area. That's why the first thing you drink can make or break your day and your metabolism. The right drink, taken within the first 30 minutes of waking, acts as a signal to your body. It's time to burn, cleanse, and repair. This is when the magic happens. A properly composed morning drink, one that includes hydration, mild alkalinity, antioxidants, and enzymes, activates cellular renewal, enhances insulin sensitivity, and boosts digestive efficiency. When your cells receive hydration and oxygen early in the day, your mitochondria, the energy factories in your cells, awaken faster. This helps convert stored fat into usable energy. Over time, you'll notice your skin brighten, your belly flatten, and your mind feel sharper. So, before we discuss the ingredients, remember this. It's not just what you drink, but when you drink it that transforms your biology. The first glass of the day literally sets the tone for how you age. Let's talk about what's really behind stubborn belly fat and premature aging, and it's not just calories. It's inflammation. Inflammation is your body's silent alarm. It begins in your gut when undigested food particles, toxins, or bacteria trigger your immune system. Over time, this chronic inflammation damages your gut lining, slows metabolism, and leads to insulin resistance. The result? You store fat, especially around your waist, even if you eat healthy. But here's the link most people miss. Inflammation doesn't just make you gain weight. It ages you from the inside out. It breaks down collagen, slows cell turnover, and dulls your skin. This is why people with digestive issues often have tired, inflamed-looking faces. The morning drink we're talking about today works by directly reducing gut inflammation. By cleansing your digestive tract, restoring hydration, and supplying natural antioxidants, it helps calm the inflammatory fire that drives both fat storage and visible aging. In my years of practice, I've seen patients lose inches off their waist simply by restoring gut balance, without changing their diet drastically. Why? Because once your gut heals, your metabolism resets itself. So, belly fat isn't a willpower issue. It's a signal that your body is asking for repair. And that's exactly what this drink helps trigger every morning from the inside out. Now, let's talk about what's inside this remarkable morning drink. The formula is simple, yet incredibly powerful when used consistently. You'll need warm water to gently awaken your digestion and boost circulation, lemon juice, a natural detoxifier rich in vitamin C that supports collagen and liver cleansing. Raw apple cider vinegar, which balances gut bacteria, stabilizes blood sugar, and improves metabolism. Fresh ginger juice or powder, a potent anti-inflammatory that enhances fat burning and reduces bloating. A dash of cinnamon, to balance insulin levels and improve digestion. And optionally, a teaspoon of honey, for natural energy and antioxidants. When combined, these ingredients work synergistically. Lemon alkalizes, ginger and vinegar cleanse, cinnamon regulates sugar, and honey nourishes your cells. It's not a miracle potion. It's a scientifically sound combination that supports every key system tied to aging and metabolism. Drink it first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. Within days, you may notice lighter digestion, reduced bloating, and smoother skin. Within weeks, many feel more energetic, focused, and yes, slimmer. It's not about weight loss alone. It's about cellular rejuvenation. That's the difference between a diet trend and true anti-aging medicine. Let's go deeper into the science. Why does this simple drink work so effectively? First, it improves insulin sensitivity. Stable blood sugar prevents fat storage and keeps energy consistent. Apple cider vinegar and cinnamon both slow carbohydrate absorption, helping your cells use glucose more efficiently. Second, it activates mitochondrial function. Ginger's active compound, gingerol, stimulates thermogenesis, the process of burning fat for heat and energy. The result is a mild, natural increase in metabolism without caffeine or stimulants. Third, it supports liver detoxification. Lemon and apple cider vinegar stimulate bile flow, which helps flush toxins that contribute to hormonal imbalance and sluggish metabolism. And finally, it improves gut microbiome balance. A healthy gut means fewer inflammatory molecules entering the bloodstream, leading to clearer skin, stronger immunity, and a calmer mind. Scientific studies show that improving gut and liver function can lower biological age markers, meaning your cells behave younger. This is the real anti-aging mechanism, far beyond skincare creams or supplements. So when you drink this blend each morning, you're not just helping your stomach, you're retraining your metabolism, restoring your hormonal rhythm, and telling your cells to regenerate instead of decay. How do you know this is something your body truly needs? Let's look at the subtle and not so subtle signs. You often wake up feeling puffy, tired, or bloated. Your stomach feels heavy after meals, even when you eat light. You rely on coffee to feel awake. Your skin looks dull or uneven, and you notice deeper lines forming around your mouth or eyes. These are not random symptoms. They are early indicators of metabolic stagnation and toxin buildup. When your digestion slows, your liver gets overloaded, your blood sugar fluctuates, and your collagen breaks down faster. Many of my patients used to tell me, "I'm doing everything right, but nothing works anymore." When we introduced this simple morning ritual, their energy lifted, their skin brightened, and their waistline began to shrink, naturally. It's your body's way of saying, "Thank you for finally listening." When your internal systems are supported from the first moment of the day, everything improves, from digestion to mood to skin clarity. That's the beauty of nature's medicine. It doesn't force change, it restores balance. Let's clear up a few myths that might be holding you back. Myth number 1. You need extreme diets to lose belly fat. The truth is, your metabolism thrives on consistency and nourishment, not starvation. Restrictive diets actually age you faster by lowering your metabolic rate. Myth number 2. Apple cider vinegar alone will melt fat. It's helpful, but it works best as part of a balanced formula that hydrates, alkalizes, and supports the gut-liver axis. Myth number 3. Aging and belly fat are inevitable. They're not. They're symptoms of internal imbalance, and balance can always be restored. Your body is intelligent. Once it receives the right hydration, minerals, and antioxidants, it naturally lets go of excess fat and inflammation. That's why this morning ritual works. It aligns with your biology, not against it. Don't fall for quick fixes. The goal isn't just to look younger, but to feel younger, more vibrant, and deeply alive. And that kind of transformation always begins with understanding, not punishment. Now, to amplify the benefits of this drink, combine it with 3 simple lifestyle habits. First, sleep well. Your body burns the most fat and repairs cells during deep sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours nightly. Second, move daily. Even 20 minutes of brisk walking, yoga, or stretching improves circulation and lymphatic flow. Third, breathe consciously. Practice deep nasal breathing throughout the day. It reduces cortisol, oxygenates your body, and improves digestion. Also, try not to eat late at night. Let your digestive system rest and repair. And when you drink your morning elixir, sip it slowly, allowing it to interact with saliva and digestive enzymes for full absorption. Your body thrives on rhythm, sleep, breath, movement, hydration. When these align, your biology starts working with you again. I tell my patients, you don't need to do more. You need to do the right things, consistently. And this drink, taken with awareness, can become a daily anchor for your health and vitality. What should you expect once you start this morning ritual? In the first few days, you might notice improved digestion, reduced bloating, and lighter energy. By the end of the first week, many people report a flatter stomach, clearer skin, and more stable moods. After 3 to 4 weeks, the deeper changes appear. Your energy becomes steady, your sleep improves, and your skin tone evens out as inflammation subsides. Inside, your liver, gut, and lymphatic systems begin to function like they did years ago. And because your metabolism is more efficient, you naturally burn fat, not muscle. The most powerful part, your confidence returns. You look in the mirror and see vitality again, not exhaustion. That's the power of addressing the root, not the symptom. You're not just losing weight. You're regaining balance, youth, and radiance. Remember, true health doesn't scream for attention, it quietly transforms every part of you. Here's the truth that shocks most people: your gut health determines how fast or slow you age. It's not genetics, it's not time, it's the internal environment you create every single morning. If your gut is inflamed, your skin ages faster. If your metabolism is sluggish, your energy fades. But when your gut is clean, hydrated, and oxygen-rich, your entire body rejuvenates. And that's why this simple morning drink, this small act of self-care, is more powerful than any anti-aging cream or supplement. In just 1 week, you can begin to see and feel the change. In 1 month, others will start to notice. In 1 year, you might not even recognize your reflection, in the best way possible. So here's your prescription from me: 1 glass each morning. Consistency, not complexity, is what rewinds time. If this message inspired you, don't keep it to yourself, share it. Hit like, drop a comment below telling me when you'll start your morning ritual, and subscribe to Frontier Wellness for more doctor-backed natural health and anti-aging insights every week. Because your best years are not behind you, they're waiting for you to show up.